Imagine a dusty barn, forgotten by time, where sunlight filters through old wooden slats and inside, a hidden treasure waits. Now imagine that treasure is a Mercedes 300SL Gullwing, but not just any Gullwing. It's the only unrestored aluminum-bodied Gullwing ever found, untouched for decades, and worth nearly $10 million. This is where our story begins. In the 1950s, the Mercedes Gullwing was the epitome of automotive elegance and engineering. Light years ahead of its time, the 300SL was the fastest production car on Earth in 1954. Yet only 29 of these rare aluminum-bodied versions were built, making them among the rarest and most sought-after cars ever made. Fast forward to today. In a Los Angeles barn, buried under a blanket of dust, a pristine alloy Gullwing sat hidden, its original dash, seats, and iconic rudge wheels intact. This one slipped past restorers, collectors, even mechanics, until Jay Leno's team walked in and shined a light on history. The moment they opened those Gullwing doors was electric. It wasn't just a car, it was time travel. Everything, from the Bellagio-style interior to the brilliant, unmolested bodywork, whispered stories of 1,950 seconds craftsmanship and race pedigree. No artificial patina, no modern upgrades, just pure, untouched legacy. How did it stay this untouched? Legend says the owner bought it for $30,000 in the 1970s and parked it in his barn, the engine forever silent, but the car alive and wait. For nearly 60 years. Now, with Jay Leno's video going viral, the world rediscovers this masterpiece. It's not just a barn find, it's the holy grail of classic car preservation. So what if this story inspired a collector to look closer at forgotten barns, hidden garages, or dusty sheds in remote towns? What more might we uncover? If this automotive ghost story moved you, hit that like button, subscribe for more rare car mysteries, and leave a comment with what hidden treasure you'd love to find. Because real stories are waiting to be uncovered, and your next favorite discovery might just be hiding in plain sight.